Alright, what we have here is a Goodman furnace that is having an issue with the blower. So I bypassed the thermostat there with the jumpers and have the door switch closed, and we're going to see if the blower comes on. There it goes, blower's on. Hole in the duct right there. This is how it goes in, plugs in right there. Comes off the top, it goes down. Draft motor. Flue. Goes up. Comes out, goes all the way up to the roof. He says it runs at their limit, so I'm running if it goes off on a limit. We'll keep looking. Okay, what we're going to do here is change out a Goodman board. This is a pretty common board. If you notice, we have a wire harness that snaps into the bottom there. And this is what the new one looks like. It has a wire harness. It doesn't exactly match the old one. So we get a kit here to rewire it, and that's what we're going to do today. So this is what I do, is I take the board off and I slowly but surely take the wires off. What I've done here is I've taken the wires off the speeds here on the motor, and I put them down here on my new motor. I do this so I don't mix up where wires go, because a lot of times they're the same color. If we look over here at the hot surface igniter and the induction motor, and we look up here on this one, they're both black. So it's kind of confusing sometimes. So I just do it wire by wire and go through and match them as close as I can to the new one. If you notice, sometimes like this one has a common and a 24 volt. That's not on the same location here on this new board, so you have to find out where they go in. Okay, this is where the new one gets a little different than the old one. We have this 9-prong Mullux connector that goes in there. The old board did not have that. So what we're going to do is take these these come from the transformer on the old board. The new connector is this. That plugs in one end, and then we come out of the board with these two that go back up to the transformer. So this end plugs into the board, these ends go up to the transformer. So plugs into the board. So we have to do a little rewiring here at the transformer because those wires go back and plug into the old board right there. So we're going to take those out and rewire the transformer. I'll do that now. I want to show you a quick thing here. When we took out the old board, if you look, these bottom corners are where the transformer secondary comes in. I don't know if you can see from this. If you notice, the front one closest to us is smaller. This back one is larger. The wires that go to here's the common and the hot side. You can see they're different sizes. This one is larger, this one is smaller. That way you don't get the polarity mixed up on the transformer. So they size them differently for you. So that helps. Let me show you my screw up here. This wire had popped out of this wire harness and was resting against the back here. This goes up, goes through, and it ultimately comes up and goes to the gas valve. What was happening was, when this was grounded out, it was giving 124 volts to the solenoid, which is only supposed to get 24, so it fried it. It's hot to the touch. So I owe this customer a new gas valve because I didn't pay attention that this wire came undone out of this wire harness when I started it up. So good times, the life of a technician. So I owe him a 2-wire gas valve. I'm going to go to my truck right now and see if I got one.